Uh-oh.
Guess I didn't inject it long enough.
Northwest 503 feet AGL. Crane 1 mile east of the approach into runway 19 left, 364 feet AGL, flagged and lighted.
Sure,
Crane 7,739 feet east-southeast, 188 feet AGL, flagged. Taxiway Alpha between taxiway and Golf and 225 feet south of Alpha 2 closed. Taxiway Alpha between taxiway and Bravo and 300 feet south of the approach into runway 13 closed. Taxiway Alpha 1 and Alpha 6 closed. Runway 1331.
For this is the province of combat, and these are the faces of war.
Golf and Alpha 2 lighted and barricaded.
Where anyone else would quit, and you're not gonna stop there. No, what are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it!
Information Foxtrot.
Foxtrot. Yeah, they got a whole bunch of stuff going on.
Riverside Tower Information Foxtrot, 1853 Zulu observation. Wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 19er, dew point 09er, altimeter 3009er.
3009.
Visual approach is in use, landing and departing runway 1 left, runway 1 right.
Ground, we'll just go down south. South? Yeah.
West?
Well, yeah, we'll go down southwest.
Southwest.
Yeah.
Works for me.
That's a good spot to go.
Works for me. 18 on the dot, checking right. Back to both. Checking left. Both. Running pretty good. Decrease RPM. Increase manifold pressure. Loss oil pressure. And vacuum's good. Instruments 0 level, 75 feet, no flag, 0 setting. Okay, DG set, wings level, ball centered, no flag. Check 1 taxi. Lights off, spooled. And our fuel looks good, got plenty of fuel. Fuel flow's working. BGT's working. I'm going to cycle it one more time, now we have a little warmer oil. Really let it deflate there. Takeoff, flaps to 10. Charging, boost pump works, mags are on both, lights is required, down lights on, and a horn. Confirm, lights good. Trim separate takeoff, gears down, full, leaving, closed.
Skyhawk 794, do you have information Foxtrot and are you run up complete?
Information Foxtrot and negative run up complete, 794.
You ready?
I'm waiting on you.
794, right. Where'd you plan on doing your run up?
We'll do it in front of the lease plane hangar for 794.
794, roger, advise run up complete.
794.
He's learning.
Riverside ground, Cardinal 7637 Victor, just outside Riverside Jet Center, just outside Charlie. We have Foxtrot, like negative radar southwest, we're running complete.
Cardinal calling Riverside ground, say your call sign again, I missed it.
Every time.
Cardinal 7637 Victor. Every time. You need to fly more.
No kidding. I think I fly enough.
Cardinal 7637 Victor, you had Foxtrot, say your parking location.
Just outside Charlie, we're out at the ramp of Riverside Jet Center, run up complete, ready to go.
Cardinal 37 Victor, runway 1 left, taxi, correction, runway 1 left, Alpha 2, taxi via Alpha.
Alpha 2, 1 left via Alpha, 37 Victor.
Clear.
Cardinal 37 Victor, contact tower, hold short, runway 1 left.
Hold short 1 left, contact tower at Alpha 2, 37 Victor.
Or you say Alpha 3?
Alpha 2.
Spartan 6-2, what would you like to do?
Well, because earlier they were making us go here because these guys landing would come here. Just come right off.
Ah, yeah. Riverside Tower, Cardinal 7637 Victor, pulling up to Alpha 2, holding short 1 left, ready to go, negative radar southwest.
Cardinal 7637 Victor, Riverside Tower, hold short, runway 1 left, landing traffic.
Holding short 1 left, 37 Victor.
You're supposed to read the whole call sign.
Affirmative.
When you're holding.
Yeah, you're right.
Victor Charlie, runway 1 right.
I've been good about that though. I've been doing that.
5.
Until you get into the airplane with an
runway
instructor.
if you like.
That's how it always goes, isn't it?
Yep.
That's because I care. Gotta keep you on your toes, right?
Oh yeah, right.
Cardinal 37 Victor, what's your directional flight?
Negative radar southwest, 37 Victor.
37 Victor, runway 1 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff, turn left on course.
Clear for departure, Alpha 2, 1 left, on course southwest, 7637 Victor.
You're going to take off from Alpha 2? Oh.
You don't want to?
And Riverside Tower, flight design 771.
Well, it's always a good idea to use all the runway.
About 8 south, inbound with Foxtrot.
Well, he did tell us we could back taxi.
Someone take Riverside Tower, continue inbound, where do you park?
Northeast C is 1 Tango
Make
X-ray.
sure it's props full, flat with tank, house
make
open.
straight in, runway 1 right, altimeter 3006, wind is 050.
ALT over there?
At 5.
ALT.
Straight in 1 right, 1 Tango X-ray.
Got it.
Increasing power.
So it's 5 Victor Charlie, you plan to get any higher than 2,500?
Negative.
Full throttle's up and in, manifold pressure, RPM, fuel flow looks good, everything's green down here. Coming through 50, 55, coming up 60 VR. Off the ground, 63.5, coming up through 70, no remaining, 321 gear up.
Tower, Skyhawk 51794 is number 1 at 1 left at Alpha 2, departing to the southwest.
So that's 51794 Riverside Tower, only 1 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
1 left at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff, 7904.
Gears up.
Yeah, it's always a bad idea to leave runway behind you.
Yeah, I know it. I don't like doing that. I hate that they're working on it. Right on the runway heading. Runway heading, keep it going. Yep, Turkey Mountain, he cleared us southwest.
Yep, but you know what the aim says.
Yep, 1500.
Yep.
Runway heading through 1,500, through 1,350, through 1,500, left turn. Clear left.
Yeah, keep that ball in the center. Can you feel it out of center?
Just a little bit. How high are we going?
About 3,000.
I figured somewhere in that area.
Southwest 80 Alpha traffic. Off your right, southwestbound Cessna 2,600.
That's not us. Is it?
I don't think so. We're 28.
80 Alpha, roger. And there's another one about 2 miles ahead of you, also southwestbound 3,000, but it's 2 miles southwest of you.
That's us.
That's us.
We're looking
Yeah.
for that one too, 1880 Alpha.
You really got to work on that pitch before roll.
I'm getting an electrical smell.
Yeah, I smell that too.
Where is that coming from?
I don't know. Do you want to go back?
Yes, what's burning up?
I don't know.
Smells hot, doesn't it?
I'm already on Riverside Tower. I'll just call him.
Yeah, just call them and tell them we're coming back. You probably have to go to approach. But where is that coming from?